So with rice paper rolls, this is traditionally the sauce that you eat it with. This is just a peanut sauce. It's got hoisin sauce, peanut butter, tomato sauce, and a little bit of water. So yeah, this is the sort of consistency that you're looking for.
And yeah, Mum's quite secretive about the measurements of this recipe, so
Mum's put the pork belly into the boiling water for about an hour and a half, and she's just put in a tablespoon of salt as well.
Alright guys, so pork belly's done. It's steaming hot right now. Beautiful. And as you can see, there's a hefty chunk of fat still on the meat. And if you didn't know by now, Vietnamese people love their pork. So I'm just gonna slice the pork. Oh, it's so nice and hot. As easy as that, guys. Perfection, guys. Ready? How can you go vegan? How can you? Huh?
Prawns have been boiling in this hot water. Make sure to try not to overcook them. Usually when the prawns start to curl up like that, it means they're done. Just like that. Beautiful. Oh, these smell so nice. Peel them. Fresh hot banana prawns and then add them into the rice paper rolls. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, we are ready to eat. So Mum's just cutting up an ripe avocado right now, and it's going to go into the rice paper rolls. It just adds that creaminess to the rice paper rolls, and it's just absolutely delicious. And traditionally this would never ever go into a rice paper roll, but because we're in Australia and this is a westernized ingredient, still delicious either way.
Alright, so rice paper rolls are ready to go. You can see all the ingredients here. All the pork belly, 2 types of banana prawns, pre-cooked and just boiled. We got avocado, we got heaps of leafy greens, we got coriander, basil, mint, lettuce, which is a hot commodity right now, and we got the lovely peanut sauce. And you know what, guys, the beauty about this dish, rice paper rolls, you can add whatever you want to it. That's the beauty of it. You can make it your own. You can make it vegan, add tofu, add whatever you want. That's the beauty of cooking. Make it your own. Let's roll. Hey everyone, so I'm going to show you how to roll a rice paper roll. So you grab the rice paper, which is in its hardened form, I guess. And you just dip it into warm water. You don't have to drench it. It just is a quick dip, and it will hydrate the rice paper roll. Alright? Place it on your dish. And Mum's already steamed up some vermicelli noodles. This is the, I guess, the body of the rice paper roll. Right? And you know what? I'm gonna go with pre-cooked banana prawns. Thanks, Mum. You know, this is a Sunday brunch for us, which is quite unusual for some people, I would say. Like that. Right there. Maybe one more prawn. I like my rice paper rolls fat. Right. Pop the tail. Keep the leg off. Check the intestinal tract. Beautiful. Alright, I think we're ready. Alright, so I'm gonna put some this beautiful pork belly with a nice chunk of fat on it. Look at that. Usually you would put some chives on it, but Mum doesn't. She hasn't prepared any chives, which is okay. But I'm gonna put some avocado. This is kind of like the Vietnamese version of sushi, I'd say. Alright. And then one of my favorite herbs, which is coriander. A lot of people don't like coriander. I don't understand why. It's so fragrant and flavoursome. I've got some mint. You know what, guys? This is a pretty healthy dish in my eyes. I believe this is some basil. Just chuck it all in. Doesn't have to be too pretty. Alright, this is the hardest part. You grab it from the end, kind of like a burrito. Fold it over. Bring the sides in. I've butchered this. I have absolutely butchered this. I've butchered this. Oh my god! There you have it. That's horrible. That is horrible. Mum's gonna roll some perfect ones. That's a fatty. Look at that. Who cares? It all ends up in the stomach anyways. Look at this. What do you got? This is how the pros do it. Mum's gonna prepare us the perfect rice paper roll.
Vậy rồi mẹ làm lại nha, xem ha. Rồi đó, ra đi ăn đó. Đó.
Alright, I know. She's a show off.
Nó sảy chưa? Cho ông thợ quay phim cắn cái luôn. Ngon không? Ngon liền ha. Rồi ăn đi con, nhé, ăn đi, được không?
Bit of a unique twist on a Sunday brunch. You know, rice paper rolls. Why not?
Beautiful.
Wow, that's perfect. Tep is gonna try one of these rice paper rolls and see how it goes. Come on, sauce, dip it. Soak it, soak it. Yes, Teppa. Yes. Guys, thanks for joining us. You know, this is a typical Sunday in my household, the Cuốn residence. Mum usually cooks a beautiful dish or feast for us, and yeah, we just come together and eat. Yeah, so join us next time. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks, guys.